Hello students, hello viewers. Now today we are going to discuss about the interesting topic, the basics from the accounting. Okay, so we are seeing what is the accounting, what is accountancy, what is bookkeeping, and detailing we are going to see today. Very clearly I want to explain you people and see the accountancy is a very important, and it is nothing but accounting means a language of business. Business means it involves the buying, selling and exchanging the activity to acquiring the wealth or making of the profit. So we are doing the business. So how you will understand a business? How you will understand a business means you need to know about the language. See, to communicate from one person to another person, we are using the language. So here also, if you want to understand the business, any business, you have to know about the accounting. So without accounting, business is meaningless. Okay. So if you want to understand, so business by understanding the accounting. Okay. By doing the accounts, by reading the accounts, by understanding the accounts, you can understand what is business. You can see the accounts of business, then you will understand what is the financial position of the business, what is the current position of the business. Okay, so you can understand the many points. See here, it is a language of business. Accounting means language of business. And also here we can see the definition which is given by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, AICPA. Okay, they define the accounting as the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner. In terms of money transactions, monetary transactions, money transactions and events, which in part in at least a financial character and interprets the results thereof. The definition is given by the AICPA, American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. Okay, and we can see the here the bookkeeping. What is a bookkeeping? Bookkeeping means it recording of the transaction and maintenance of account. Recording of the transaction and maintenance of the accounts. Okay, and you can see the accounting process. This accounting is done by the accountant and bookkeeping is done by the clerk, senior clerk, we can say. Clerical work it is. Bookkeeping is a clerical work, day-to-day work it is. Okay, then accounting process. Accounting process means here you can see the which starts with the input. In input, business transactions is there. In input, business transaction is there. So business transaction means monetary value. Okay, first a business means the accountancy starts with a transaction. Transaction means it is an event, whether it is buying or selling or anything, it is a transaction. Okay, accounting process. See, accounting process which starts with the input. Input means here business transaction which is monetary values. Okay, business transaction, it must be monetary values. In currency we have to calculate. So transaction, business transaction means it may be a buying or it may be a selling of the goods or payment or receipt. Anything can be a transaction. Okay, transaction is very important. Event should be done in the business organization. Buying of the goods, selling of the goods, or payment of the expenditure or receipts of the incomes, whatever, buying of the assets, everything is a event or everything is a transaction. So first we start with a transaction. This transaction, after that, what we are doing with this transaction? Process is there. With the transaction we are doing process. In the process, first step, identifying. We need to identify the transaction. this transaction is related to the various source of documents like from the receipts and also from the invoice, cash memo, like from the different source we will identify which type of transaction it is, we have to identify. Okay, then a recording. After identifying, the second one is a recording of the transaction. Second function is recording of the transaction. Recording in a systematic manner. Okay, all the business records should be recorded. All the business transactions should be recorded in a systematic manner. And whereas identified in ordinary manner, soon after the occurrence in the journal or the subsidiary books. So recording in the journal or subsidiary books, we have to write clearly. Then classifying. Classifying concerned with the classification of recorded business transaction. Like a group of similar transactions is there. All buyings, purchases, sales, a group of similar category. Okay, so all sales, all purchases, separately we have to classify. Okay, and you can see the different accounts also. Then we can do the total of the related ledger. Okay, here you can see the ledger. Classifying means ledger, separate account, sales separate account, purchase separate account, like that we have to do classifying. Okay, then summarizing. Summarizing means here you can see the process extracting the balance of all accounts. So balancing. Okay, and balancing, to prepare the trial balance we need to do the summarizing. To prepare the trial balance account we need to do the summarizing, total, doing the calculation of the totals of the separate accounts, individual accounts. For example, sales, I told you, sales total you have to do, purchase total you have to do separately. Okay, next analyzing. Analyzing means here it establishes the relationship between the item of the profit and loss account. Analyzing, it links the profit and loss account and profit and loss account and balance sheet. It links the profit and loss account and balance sheet. And also, what is the purpose of analyzing? Identify the financial strength. This analyzing is identifying the financial strength. Financial strength and also weakness. Strength positive, weakness negative. So both it can identify, analyzing situation, analyzing process. And also it provides for the interpretation also. It provides for the interpretation also. And we can see the interpreting. Interpreting means it concerns with the explanation of the meaning. Explanation with the meaning. And also we can see the significance of relationship with the established by the interpretation. Means clear understanding of the above accountancy. Whatever the process is they are doing, clear understanding, clear preparation of the reports and the clear explanation regarding the position or regarding the company profits, whatever profit or loss. So the clear explanation is interpreting. And communicating means providing information. Communicating to understand, whether it is outsiders or insiders. Communicating. Communication between the business and others. So here you can see the output. So input is a business transaction. Process means in this process steps is there. Identifying, recording, after recording, classifying, after classifying, summarizing, after summarizing, analyzing, after analyzing, interpreting, after interpreting, communicating. Okay, after this process we will get the output, result we will get. Okay, output. Output is the information to the users. What it is? Information to the users. Users means this business accounts they are doing. Why means to provide the information to the users. The users may be a different types of parties is there. You can see the You can see the investor, you can see investor, you can see the general public, you can see the government. The users may be a government, or the users may be a supplier, users may be a customer, user may be a employee, okay, shareholders, debenture holders, everybody is a users. Based on the accounting information, they will take their decisions. Okay, so whether the employee, he will take the decision, he should work in that company or not. Customer, whether he should purchase or not, based on the accounting information. Why this process is there means to provide the accounting information to the users. Okay, users are the employee, customers, suppliers, government, general public, investors, debenture holders, shareholders. So everybody will comes under the information to the users. They are the users. Okay, and we can see the we'll see the accounting cycle. Accounting cycle is one of the important concept. Accounting cycle means you know the cycle like a circuit. So here business transactions. First accounting cycle will start with the business transaction. Means business event, whether it is buying or selling or payment or receipts or expenditure or income or whatever. So buying of the goods is a transaction, selling of the goods is a transaction, salaries paid is a transaction. Okay, so here business transaction is a first step. First we are writing the business transaction, then journalizing. Okay, after writing in the bookkeeping, so we have to journalize the transaction based on the double entry system. Based on the debit credit rule, we have to journalize the transaction. Okay, we have to journalize the transaction. Debit separate, credit separate, means dual aspect concept. Debit aspect, credit aspect. What we are receiving, what we are giving, it must be equal. So based on that, journal entries we are preparing. Second step, journal entries. From the business transaction, we are preparing journal entries. Next one, third step is ledger posting. In cycle, third step is ledger posting. So after journal entries, we have to post them in the ledger. Journals we have to post them in the ledger. We have to transfer, we have to shift journal to ledger. So ledger is an account. T-shaped account we have to draw. T-shaped account. So ledger we have to post. Journal to ledger. Okay. In journal, if it is debit side, in ledger it will come credit side. In journal, if it is credit side, in ledger we have to post debit side. Opposite. Journal entry is opposite to the ledger posting. Okay. Separate formats is there, but journal ledger is a third step. You have to remember ledger is a third step. And next one, trial balance. Fourth step is trial balance. See, the trial balance means here to know the accuracy of the business. So and also to know the mistakes also, we can find many mistakes also here, and we can rectify also. So the trial balance means we have to post whatever the ledger we prepared, that we have to post. Summary of the ledger we have to post in the trial balance. Summary of the ledger we have to transfer in the trial balance. In this trial balance also format is there. According to the format we have to prepare the trial balance. After preparation of the trial balance will show the arithmetic accuracy. And also trial balance, after preparation of trial balance, we can prepare the trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet. These accounts we are calling is a final accounts. Okay, trial balance is based on the trial balance. We are preparing the, based on the trial balance, we need to prepare the trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet. 3. Okay, so these three we have to prepare. These are the final accounts. Okay, and so this is a accounting cycle. It is helpful for you, Amma, for your exam point of view, for inter degree students and basic learners also. It will helpful for you. And please subscribe the channel. Thank you for